Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have completed method of least squares, that is second method, and all its related sums from exercise 4.2 and exercise 4. Plus I have given 3 sums as homework, the same type of sums. Plus I have said which are the sums to be ignored from exercise 4.1, 4.3 and exercise 4. Now we are left with the last topic of this chapter, that is method of moving averages, and we are starting this topic, and it is very easy. This method is actually coming in the 3rd year of the college. You are learning this method, but still this method is very easy. This is my guarantee. The method, the trick which I am having, that I think no one has taught. Okay, I am teaching this every year, but no one is teaching like me, because I have learned this method in my college, and the professors that they have taught, I am teaching it today. And it's very simple. Thing which is needed for there is concentration plus calculator, because we are not meeting personally. So the calculations on your calculator and the button pressing on your calculator is required when you are watching this video. I think first you all are watching the video and then after you are writing. So first the effect of calculator and your concentration is needed, so that only you can understand this method. Okay? Yes. Let's write the heading. This is the 3rd topic of this chapter, method of moving averages. Now actually what is this method? We are understanding. Suppose in the question yearly data is given, and on that basis some column of y is given. Suppose we are having the years from 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose we are having values 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. I have written these values for our easiness. Okay? Now we have to find the trend through that linear equation, so we need the column of t, but here actually t is not required. Now method of moving averages are having 3 types of sums. 3 types of sums means we have to take the average of 3 types. That is, first one is 3 years, second one is 4 years, and third one is 5 years. But this method is this time not included in our syllabus. But still I will teach you in simple words. You have to take the averages of 3, 3 or 4, 4 or 5, 5, and then you have to find the trend. You have to find the trend by using 3 yearly, 4 yearly or 5 yearly. How to do that? You know, you have to make the groups of 3, but not like this 3. Next group will not be from 25 to 30. Next group will be this. See, now again there are 3. Again ignore 1 and make 1. Again ignore 20 and make this 3. Again take this total. Again make this total. Again, sorry, make this total, make this 3 total, and make this 3 total. So now you will think that always in the sum we have to draw this thing, taking 3 totals, and then you have to take the average divided by 3 if you are doing this 3. Suppose if you have to take 5, 5, then you have to do these lines as 5, 5. Again 1 ignore and take other 5, 1 ignore, take other 5, and in the same way 4 also. Take 4, ignore 1, then ignore 1, then take 1. So if this way you have to do, then your drawings is very dirty. Actually what you have to do for this method, you have to take the total and divide it by, if you have taken 3, then divide it by 3, if you have taken 4, then divide by 4. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. For that, if you exactly see, then what you have to do? You have to take the total of 3 and you have to divide by 3, your average will be 15. So you have to write in between. You have to write in between. Again, if you are taking the total of these 3, then average will be total. Average will be 20. You have to write in between. Now for trend, how you have to do? You have to divide by 3. So it will be 5. It will be 6.67. So in this way you have to do nothing. You have to do in these types of sums. You have to take the total and divide it by 3 if you have taken 3. If you have taken 4, then divide it by 8. But that method is not in our course. Because see, why you have to take divide by 8? Because if you are taking 4, if you are taking 4, then what is the middle value of, see, 1, 2, 3. If you are taking 3, then the middle value is 2002. If you are taking 2, 3, 4, then the middle value is 3. If you are taking 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the middle value is 3. But if you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, then middle value is 2002 and 2003. So first you have to do 4, 4, then you have to do 2, 2, and then you will solve the sum. But like that, sums are very difficult. So this method is ignored this time, and only 3 years and 5 years method are there. So what you will do? First you will take the total of 3, divide it by 3. Again you will take the total of 5, divide by 5. In one sum only one method is there, 3 yearly average or 5 yearly average, and this sum also carries 5 marks. So this is very easy. You don't have to remember any formula, only the thing is your calculator. If by mistake one button is pressed wrong, your whole sum will be wrong, because that is my method. Others are teaching different method. My method is a very shortcut but useful method. If you are having grip on your calculator, then you can solve it easily. So no such formulas are there. We are only just writing the heading and we are writing types of sums, and then I am starting with the sum, because nothing is done in this method, directly the sums. And I have to say that 3 years sum are 3 and 5 years sum are only 2. So we will complete the chapter today. After that, our statistics part 1 is over. Part 2, first chapter, if it is possible, then we will take, but that will take after completing accounts. So we will today complete these statistics, and tomorrow we will start with the 5th chapter of accounts. Okay, so method of moving averages. For this you will write here, trend is found using following 3 types of method. First one, 3 yearly moving average. And friends, why the name is moving average? Because one we will ignore, one we will take. So we are moving our averages. 3 yearly moving averages, 4 yearly moving averages, 5 yearly moving averages. And in this bracket you will write not in syllabus this time. There are 2 sums in exercise 4.3, so both these sums, and in exercise 4 also I have said there are again 2 sums, so we are ignoring. So today we are now we are studying now we are starting with 3 years moving averages. So write first 3 yearly moving averages. We are starting with this. Okay, now we are directly going for exercise 4.3. Only this thing has to be written, that here trend is found using 3 yearly, 4 yearly, 5 yearly. And why we are finding this 3, 4, 5, we can find with 7 also, 9 also, but these things are only included in our course. That the values which we have given, you have to take the total, divide by the things which we have taken. Only determine the trend using that only. Because as we have seen, trend is a long-term component. Now that long-term component can be of 3 years, sometimes can be of 4 years, can be of 10 years. But in our course, to learn the trend, only 3, 4 and 5 are there. In that also 4 years are not included in this year. So directly we are starting exercise 4.3 and you will give the heading 3 yearly moving averages. First sum. Only one sum is there for 4.3, 3 years. So exercise 4.3 we are having first sum. Find the trend by 3 yearly moving averages from the following data about sales in 10 lakhs of company. So underline 3 yearly moving averages. And which are the columns that I will give? See in illustration, year is there and again time t is there. Time t is required when we are only doing fitting trend line. Okay? Otherwise it's not required. Year sales is y. Now which are the columns you require? 3 years moving total. Why 3 years moving total? Why you cannot directly write 3 years total? Because first we will take first 3, then we will ignore one and again take fourth one, ignore second, take fifth one, ignore third, take sixth one. So it is known as 3 years moving total. And finally trend is equals to total divided by 3. Why divide by 3? Because we are taking 3 years. Only this much columns and our answer will come. 2006 to 50. 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Every year students are passing in this method because this sum is asked for 5 months and I know the trick. See in book they are writing plus and minus. I don't require that thing. I am having my own method. Students are scoring full marks in this, so students are passing by this method. Okay, so you all also please try. You all also will understand the sum very easily. 3, 4, 8, 6, 7, 11, 9, 10, 14, 12. No totals, nothing is required. Okay, no x bar, no y bar, no t bar, nothing is required. Our answers are only this. Your answers are only this. Okay, trend is your answer, nothing else. Okay, let's start the sum. Once more I will tell, leave all your things, concentrate here, otherwise you will not understand. Now my method is known as dotted method. Which method? Dotted method, where always this side is subtraction and this side is plus. Means I will do dot dots and we will subtract one and we will add one. As you have seen, we have to ignore first and take fourth, ignore second takes fifth, ignore third takes sixth, in that way. So how to start? As this is 3 years average, first take first 3 is total. 3 plus 4 plus 8. So 50. Now I have to ask you the question, if we are taking this 3 total, which is the middlemost observation? Middlemost observation is 4. So you have to write this 15 here. And you don't have to rub this 15. If this 15 is going, whole method is wrong. You have to write here 15. Now what you have to do? You have taken this 3. Now you have to take this 3. So for that, you have to ignore 3 and you have to add 6 because the 3 observations are there. One I am ignoring, so the next I am adding. So take a dot with pencil here and do a dot here. So which means minus 3 from 15, minus 3 and from 15 plus 6. So the total will be 18 and it should be written here. Again we are having 18 in our calculator. Now what you will do, again you have to ignore 1. So make a dot here. You have made the dot. So minus 4, because here dot means minus. And then don't press equals to button. Then make a dot here. Next to 6 the dot is here. If we are making the dot here, then plus 7, it will be 21. This dot's answer will be here. Okay, now we are having 21 in our calculator. Don't rub in between. Again make a dot here. After 4, his dot is here. So again if you have done the dot, then minus 8. Then again dot is in 11, so plus 11. 24. Okay. Next. Make it. Now again in our calculator it is 24. Make a dot here. So minus 6. Make a dot here. Plus 9. 27. So the game is only of plus minus. If you are passing this game, then you are very okay. Again, dot is in 7. See, both dots are possible. Dot is in 7, so minus 7. Dot is in 10, so plus 10. 30. Again make a dot here. Minus 11. Again make a dot here. Plus 40. So 33. Now in calculator we are doing 33. Again, these dots are with pencil. Okay? Again make a dot, or small dots with pen. Again make a dot at 9, so minus 9. Again make a dot at 12, so plus 12. So in calculator it will be 36. Now see, we can make a dot here, but here there is no such value. So we are stopping at here 36. Now we have taken 3 years total. So in the plus side 1, 2, 3 dots are not there. In the minus side 1, 2, 3 dots are not there. If these dots are correct, then your sum is actually 80% correct. Because if you have made the mistake here, then it would be wrong. If instead of 15 you are writing 16, then everything will be wrong. So here it will be empty, here it will be empty. So for 3 years, first and last will be empty. Dash. So here also it will be dash. Now we have to write the answer. How to write the answer? This total divided by 3, because we have taken the total of 3 years. Now write 15 divided by 3. Answer is 5. 18 divided by 3. 6. 21 divided by 3. 7. 24 divided by 3. 8. 27 divided by 3. 9. Then here 30 divided by 3, 10, 33 divided by 3, 11, 36 divided by 3, 12. But in all the sums, like these answers will not be there. Okay, this is just for our understanding. So this sum is very easy. Sum is over. This you will get 5 marks. What formula I have used here? The dotted formula, nothing else. But one limitation is that you cannot again check the sum. If you have to again check, then you have to rub the dots. So if you are done with pencil, it's okay. If you are done with the pen, then you have to make another dots. Only that is the limitation. See, again, if you want, then I am rubbing the dots. If you need that, we have to check. Okay. So how to start? As we are having 3 years, 1, 2, 3, take this total 3 plus 4 plus 8. Write the total middlemost 6, 7, 8. The middle value is here. So 15. Now this 15 should not be 0. Always it should be 15. How to do next? Ignore 3. If you are making the dot, then instead at that time only you subtract minus 3. And 1, 2, 3. The fourth value will come, because we are taking the average of 3, the fourth value will come, so plus 6. Whenever you are doing the dot, you have to do in your calculator. જ્યારે પણ અહીંયા ડોટ કરશો પહેલા માઈનસ કરી નાખશો, અહીંયા ડોટ કરશો તો અહીંયા પ્લસ કરી જ નાખશો. ભૂલાઈ જશે તો બધું ભૂલાઈ જશે. ઓકે, અને આનો આન્સર આના ઉપર આવવો જોઈએ, બધાનો આન્સર 15. ઓકે, 18, sorry, not 15, 18. Now next. Minus 4, so minus 4. Plus 7, so plus 7. 20. બરાબર છે? Again, minus 8. અહીંયા ડોટ કર્યો એટલે minus 8. અહીંયા ડોટ કર્યો એટલે plus 11. 24. Again, minus 6, so minus 6 plus 9, so it is 27. Again minus 7 plus 10, 30. Again minus 11 and plus 14, 33. Again minus 9, જ્યારે ડોટ કરો ત્યારે માઈનસ કરી નાખવાનું, and plus 12, 36. And after that it is very simple. These totals are divided by 3 because it is 3 years. The sum is over. This carries 5 marks. You all will be laughing, but this is reality. Okay, in book it is written 3 plus 4 plus 8, then minus this and plus this, minus this and plus this. No, not required if you are having this total method. Okay friends, now we are doing the next same sum. Exercise 4.3 is having only one sum of 3 years. Now we are going for exercise 4. Now in exercise 4, section D, sum number 11. Section D, 11 sum. Page number 180. The data collected about the demand of a commodity of store are as follows. Find the trend using 3 monthly instead of 3 yearly, 3 monthly. Underline 3 monthly moving average. Month demand is Y in units. Now, which are the columns? 3 yearsly moving total. 3 years moving total, and finally the answer trend is equals to total by 3. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 15, 16, 18, 18, 23, 23, 20. Okay, now we are starting. So first of all, do it here, minus and plus. Okay, 15, 16, 18, right in the between, 49. 15, 16, 18, 49. Now this 49 should remain. Dot here, so minus 15. Then 1, 2, 3, take the fourth value. Whenever we are doing 3, 3, take the fourth. Dot should be here. Plus 18, 52. Then minus 16, so minus 16 is done. Plus 23, so plus 23 is done. 59. Again minus 18, so minus 18. Again plus 23, so plus 23 is 64. Again minus 18, so minus 18 plus 20, so plus 20, 66. Now check, we are having 3 years, so here 3 dots will be not there. 3 dots are not there. Here also 3 dots are not there. Here also 3 dots are not there. First 2 dash, last 2 dash. Now divide by 3. 49 divided by 3, 16.33. 52 divided by 3, 17.33. 59 divided by 3, 19.67. 64 divided by 3, 21.33. 66 divided by 3, 22. This will not carry 5 marks because this is short sum. This will be for 3 marks. Okay, so again one more sum for 3 years, that is in section E. Section E third sum. Section E third sum. So section E third sum. Okay. The data about closing price of shares of a company registered in a stock exchange of different months is given in following table. Underline. Find the trend using 3 monthly moving average. Instead of year, they are using months. Month. Share price, that is Y. Now, which are the columns? 3 years moving total. Then trend is equals to total upon 3. Now the columns from April to January. Okay. So 2015 April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and 2016's January. 76, 73, 65, 68, 67, 60, 63, 67, 65, 66. First of all, starting the sum, do here minus plus. Okay. Take first 3 total, 76, 73, 65. Where you will write? Near to 73, 240. Now, minus 76. Now the third, not the fourth value. Okay, by mistake, don't take third value. Fourth value 68, so plus 68, 206. Then minus 73 plus 67, 21. Whenever you are doing dot, give the effect in calculator also. Then minus 65, so minus 65 plus 60, so plus 60 is 195. Then minus 68, so I will do minus 68, plus 63, so I will do plus 63, it is 190. Then minus 67 plus 67, so it will not change because minus and plus were same. Then minus 60, so minus 60 plus 65 plus 65, so again 195. Again minus 63, so minus 63 plus 66 plus 66, so 198. Again 1, 2, 3 dots are not here, 1, 2, 3 dots are not here. Both this dash, both this dash. 214 divided by 3, 71.33. 206 by 3, 68.67. 200 divided by 3, 66.67. 195 divided by 3, 65. 190 divided by 3, 63.33. 3.33, again 65, because these are same. 198 divided by 3 is 66. So friends, we have completed the first subtype, that is 3 years. Now we will go for 5. Nothing is the change. Take total of 5 and write in the between of third value. Write on the third value. Here we are writing on the second value. Okay. So same thing is for 5 years. There are only 2 sums. Let's do it. So you have to practice this thing, my friends. 1 dot here, 1 dot here, 1 dots, and this dot should match 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Otherwise your sum will be wrong. Okay. So practice is required. Don't think that I am telling it's easy, so we will not practice. Because always these easy sums only are making problem in our exercise. So now write the next heading. See, first one was 3 years. Second one 4 years is not in our syllabus. So now 5 yearly moving average. So things which are difficult have been deducted from your course. So you all people are lucky. So again we have to go for exercise 4.3. And in that you have to ignore second and fourth sum. So only third sum is left. Find the trend using 5 yearly moving average. Underline 5 yearly moving average from the following data of profit of trader in different years. Year profit in lakh rupees, that is Y. Now name of columns for 3 yearly moving total. Here it will be 5 yearly moving total. 5 yearly moving total. And next column answer trend will be total divided by 5. Don't think always 3 will come, don't by heart. Here it is 5 years total, so total will be divided by 5. 2007 to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, 14, 18, 20, 17, 24, 27, 25, 23. Now again listen very carefully. Things are same, minus, plus. But instead of taking total 3, now we will total of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now write in your calculator 15, 14, 18, 20, 17. And write in the middlemost 84. Again I will say 15, 14, 18, 20, 17. Right in the middle, third value. Middle of 3 is 2, middle of 5 is 3. Okay. Now ignore 1, minus 15. Now as these are 5, take the sixth value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the sixth value plus 24. Answer will be 93. Now this answer will be 2 up. Okay. Minus 14. Plus 27, 106, minus 18 plus 25 130 minus 20 plus 23 160. Again I will say, again I will do if you don't understand, but first I will say, see, if it is 3 years then here 3 dots are on. If it is 5 years then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if there are 3 years then 3 dots are not there. If there are 5 years then 5 dots will be not there. Again if you want once more I will do for you by rubbing these dots. Again listen. Okay, I am coming this side. 15, 14, 18, 20, 17. It's 84. Now subtract one value. 15. Now as these are 5, take 6th value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th value. So plus 24. Sorry, I have done a mistake. 84 minus 15 plus 24. It's 93. Okay. Then minus 14. So minus 14 plus 27. So it's 106. Again minus 18. So minus 18. Plus 25, so plus 25 is 113. Again minus 20, so I have done minus 20 plus 23. Minus 20 plus 23, it's 116. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots are not. Now in 3, 3, there were 1, 1 dash, here there are 2, 2 dash. But on both sides it will be equal. If there is 1 then both sides 1, 1. Up and down 1, 1. If it is 2 then up and down 2, 2. Always. Now divide by 5. 84 divided by 5, not divide by 3, okay? 16.8. 93 divided by 5. 18.6. 106 divided by 5. 21.2. 113 by 5. 22.6. 116 by 5, 23.2. So we have divided by 5. Now we are left only with the last sum of the chapter. Exercise 4. Section, I think E only. I have to see. Yes, section E. We are left with only the last sum, that is 5th sum. So, in exercise 4, section D is completed. Section E, first and second sum were homework. Third sum I have done today. Fourth sum is ignored. Fifth sum we are doing now. For section F, first sum I have done yesterday. Second sum is to be ignored. Third sum I have done yesterday. Fourth sum I have given as homework. And fifth sum has to be ignored. So friends, we are completing this whole part today. Okay. So our everything will be completed today itself. Yes. Question I have not read. Okay, so exercise 4, section E, 5th sum. The quantity index numbers of consumption of edible oil in a state are given in the following table. Underline, find the trend using 5 yearly moving average. Year, index number 1. Now which are the columns? 5 years moving total. Trend is equals to total by 5. From 2005 to 2015, 2005, 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 115, 121. 119, 120, 117, 119, 120, 118, 116, 124, 125. Okay, let's draw the lines. Starting the sum minus plus. Okay, so take 5 totals. 115, 121, 119, 120, 170. Right in the between 5, 9, 2. Okay, again 115, 121, 119, 120 and 117. So 592. Ignore 1 minus 115. Take the sixth value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and sixth value is 190. So it is 596 minus 121 plus 120. So it is 595 minus 119 minus 119 plus 118. So it is 594 minus 120 plus 116. So it is 590 minus 117 plus 124. So it is 597. So what I am speaking, if you are doing with me, then it's very good. Minus 119 plus 125, 613. Now, if 2 are not there outside, 2 are not there outside. Now let's check the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 592 divided by 5. 118.4. 596 divided by 5. 119.2. 595 divided by 5. 119. 594 divided by 5. 118.8. 590 divided by 5. 118. 597 divided by 5. 119.4. 603 by 5. 120.6. Okay. So friends, today we are completing the 4th chapter of statistics, plus the whole book of statistics is completed. Now, see, in these vacations also I am daily taking the lectures. So now you are not having other lectures temporarily. I am daily taking the lectures. Still many people are very backward to me. I think for 15 lectures you are back, 15 to 20 lectures. The people who are again interested, those who are not interested, I have not seen my any one lecture also. So for people who need to learn, I am telling again that now in these days only my lecture will be there. So daily you watch two lectures, daily you complete the notes, and within a week you should be with me. Within 1 week you should be with me, because from 18th November if school is starting and still you are backward of for 10 to 15 lectures, then I will not start from the beginning. I will start where I left this thing. Suppose if tomorrow school is opening, then today or this chapter is completed, then tomorrow directly I will start the new chapter. I will not wait that if you are not seeing the lectures. So this will be a warning for each and every student, because on our video average there are 10 views only. You all are 35 plus other people who are still watching and doing, like other people excluding students of Uma Vidyalaya. Many are watching also. So they are also watching. So I think from you people only 5 people are watching daily. Others are still not interested in learning. So it is dependent on you. As soon as the school is starting, I will complete with what I left in the previous online lecture. I will not wait for anyone. I will not repeat unless and until our course is complete. And exam is certain. Most probably on 30th November, exam is certain. So friends, remember this thing and complete the things and send to me as soon as possible. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.